Take two. Hi everybody, welcome back to the Vision Garage, and first of all, thank you for the likes and the subscribers and good feedback that we've gotten so far here at the garage. It means a lot to us. This is not something we just kind of did all this on a whim. We're not trying to be internet stars and sensations. We talked about that in our opening video, but we do think we have some things to offer. We want to show you what's going on here down at the garage, and today we're going to do our first little installation and accessory mod here.
Yep. We got Can-Am Defender HD10,
which is your bike,
which is mine.
Yeah,
it's a 2016.
It's nice,
very nice. Got like 400 miles on it.
Yeah.
The goal is eventually to enclose it and to put heat in it. So we're getting started. I already had a windshield from the factory, but we're putting a rear windshield in. And we're going to kind of go through the installation. We're going to go through the process, how I picked this particular one, because there is a lot of choices.
And I think it's important to say right now, this guy does a lot of research on everything he does, and it doesn't matter if it's for the bikes or the units around here, or something for the house. So he knows what he's talking about. He really does. He studies real hard and gets, does a lot of research before he pulls the trigger. So we've chosen, this is from Superatv, which you really like. We've had a lot of good luck with their products, and today we're gonna talk a little about it. We're gonna get put it in, and then you're gonna give kind of a quick assessment and review on what your thoughts are. This obviously comes with something that's kind of rare, and that's a actual set of directions.
Yes, it has a set of full instructions. You don't have to go online and download anything. It comes in the box. It's completely detailed on exactly what you've got to do. Not only that, there's instructions on how to maintain and take care of the product as well. So you have all the information. You have everything you need when it comes in the box.
I want everybody to note the teddy towel.
Yes, the teddy towel
is very special.
Very special for this
all right,
project.
You're going to need a teddy towel.
First thing, we're going to take off the protective coating. Keep in mind, you'll be very cautious after this, because you drop it, hit it, you can scratch it. There's a possibility. So be very careful. And of course, once again, we have to do this, or I'm doing it, because we got to put weather stripping around it, and we got to put the hardware on it, and I don't want to have to come back with a utility knife and cut that off. I want it all protected, sheeting to be off of it completely. It just looks like a neater job. First thing is putting the weather strip on. They say use soap and water. We may use a combination soap and water, and we may heat this up a little bit. So it may go on pretty good. I don't know. Like I said, they suggest you can use soap and water to help out, but keep it a little bit neater, cleaner. I don't think we have to.
Now here's another thing you gotta like, is that when a company gives you plenty. Yeah.
God.
And that they have done here.
That's what I really needed. Yeah. What do you think of those? Those are pretty cool. Hey, nothing but the best here at Vision Garage.
Where'd you get those at?
I don't know.
I got my side in.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, that's because you pushed them down on there. Now do it. Kind of sizing right now.
Good. All we're going to need to do is,
Exactly. I know. Yeah.
We'll
They need to be leveled up and straightened. Basically, 3 ways you can go on glass or windshield, whether it's for the front or for the rear side, whatever. There's glass, there's acrylic, which has been around for a long time, and polycarbonate. Now, real quick, I'll go through how acceptable to cracking it is, impact resistant. Glass, on the particular test that I looked at, glass will take 0.8 pounds of pressure, basically a steel dart, will take 0.8 pounds before it breaks. Now that's 0.8. Acrylic will take 20 pounds, the same test. Polycarbonate, which is what this is, will take 200.
Wow.
You can literally take a sledgehammer to this and hit it and it will not break. When they make this polycarbonate, UV is very hard on plastics. It causes it to tarnish or yellow. They put filters in this when they make this, so that helps out on that as well. Now, glass is obviously the best as far as resisting scratches, but as I told you, 0.8 pounds, it doesn't take a lot to break glass. But I've got a glass windshield. I've had glass windshields and razors and other side-by-sides. I've go down the trail, hit limbs. I've done all kinds of things on glass, and I've never broken one. Now, I have seen them break. But the advantage is you can't have a wiper system if you don't have glass. Even this polycarbonate with a coating, in their disclaimer, says don't use a wiper system. And you can only clean it with soap and water. You cannot use any type of glass cleaner, anything like that on polycarbonate or acrylic.
So let's make that clear. It is really a terry cloth towel and water.
That is it.
That is all you're going to use, guys, on this.
Yeah, and if you get mud stuck on it, you got to wash it off with a hose, get all the heavy debris off, and then you can use soap and water in the terry cloth.
So what do you think? Now, as you step back, and I mean, you guys got to do some fine tuning and some tightening up. But what is your impression of this?
I'm really impressed. It fits really good. Of course, Can-Am has a channel for their stuff, but this fits really good. I went with it tinted because just to give it that, appearance, it looks good. You don't typically look at the back that much, so it just fits really good. I love how the weather stripping went on. I love how it fits up to the ceiling of the frame. It fits perfect. I mean, this is really nice. I'm really pleased with this. The only thing now is how's it look like in 6 months, which we'll probably have a review on.
Yep.
But I am thoroughly impressed. I would recommend this for anybody to go with this one from Superatv.